Every fairy knows Mother Nature provides fresh ingredients for delicious fairy feasts. Join me as we explore the world of fairy garden cooking. The secret ingredient is magic. In this episode, we make a hearty fall stew. Always wash your hands. Rip open the pods to reveal the seeds inside. Mash some bulbs for protein. Add chopped grass. Pour in rainwater. A magnolia berry provides flavor and a pop of color. The seeds complete the recipe. Serve to your favorite fairy friends to warm a chilly day.